Welcome to the channel, your favorite grooming ideas. Please subscribe my channel and let back to the video.
How to trust people again if you've been hurt. Rebuilding trust after being hurt can be a challenging process, but it is possible with time, effort, and self-reflection. Here are some steps you can take to learn how to trust people again. Number 1. Allow yourself to feel. It's important to acknowledge and process the emotions you're feeling after being hurt. Give yourself the space to grieve, be angry, and feel disappointed. This is a natural part of healing. Number 2. Understand the source of hurt. Reflect on what caused the trust breach. Was it a specific action or a pattern of behavior? Understanding the source of the hurt can help you identify what kind of behaviors to be cautious of in the future. Number 3. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Remember that you deserve to heal and move forward. Be patient with yourself and avoid self-blame. Number 4. Set healthy boundaries. Establish clear boundaries in your relationships to protect yourself from potential hurtful situations. Communicate your boundaries openly and assertively. Number 5. Start small. Begin by trusting people in smaller, low-risk situations. Gradually build up to more significant levels of trust as you become more comfortable. Number 6. Engage in positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and beliefs about trust. Replace them with more balanced and realistic perspectives. Number 7. Learn from the experience. What lessons can you take from the hurtful experience? Use it as an opportunity for personal growth and self-awareness. Number 8. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a mental health professional about your feelings. Sharing your thoughts and concerns can provide valuable insights and help you process your emotions. Number 9. Engage in activities you enjoy. Doing things that bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment can help boost your overall well-being and self-esteem. Number 10. Give people a chance. Not everyone is the same, and not everyone will hurt you. Approach new relationships with an open mind while remaining cautious. Number 11. Communicate openly. Honest communication is key to building and maintaining trust. Share your feelings, concerns, and expectations with the people you want to trust. Number 12. Practice forgiveness. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the hurtful behavior. It means letting go of the anger and resentment that may be holding you back. Number 13. Focus on the present. Try not to project past hurts onto current or future relationships. Each person and situation is unique. Number 14. Take your time. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. Give yourself the time you need to heal and build new connections. Number 15. Stay open to change. As you grow and heal, your perspective on trust may evolve. Be open to adjusting your approach. Remember that learning to trust again is a personal journey, and there is no set timeline for recovery. It's okay to take things at your own pace and prioritize your emotional well-being. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.